Hi, I'm Kate Goldhouse of Goldhouse Gourmet, and I'm going to be showing you how to make black bean sauce. In addition to the black beans in this recipe, there's also another bean ingredient, cocoa powder, which comes from cacao beans. To begin, chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. In a large sauté pan, sauté the onions and garlic in a tablespoon of water until soft, about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 cups of fire-roasted tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of green chilies, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, a half teaspoon oregano, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Stir for 5 minutes. Add 1½ cups of black beans. Then cook for 10 minutes. Transfer the sauce to a food processor or blender and puree to your desired consistency. Black beans are a great source of protein. Just 1 cup provides a third day's worth of your protein.